Welcome to alternate GK session General Knowledge class 5th. This time I am continuing to lesson number 24, a man to machine. Previous session was taken by Bina teacher. This time I will share with you 23, 24 and 25 lesson. A man to machine. Dear students, you know that earlier primitive man, that means Adi Manav, invented different kind of tools to do his work. Simple machines were not used, not invented. Different kind of tools to do this work. Unlike tools or instruments, machines require energy to do work. Then slowly, man became very modern. He started upgrading his courtesy. He used this primitive man's tools into the modified one. He changed something. After changing, machinery is invented, and then afterwards, slowly, wheel started a one revolution, and man turned down to the machines. Now we are using the latest machines. I am giving my lectures to you. It is because of the technology that you can see my face, you can listen me, you can communicate with me in the Google Meet, Google Talk. It is a technology of a machine. Some machines are small, they are used to do simple jobs. Others help us to increase our speed and work. And guess what? Human beings are called biological machines. That means we are a biological person, but we are trained to use a wind turbine, robot, threshing machine, crane, vending machine, lever. Automated teller machine means ATM. You know that ATM machines are very useful. Pulley. Answers I will share with you, but before that, let us have a one machine's importance here. First of all, a wind turbine. Wind turbine is a machine which is creating or generating using the wind power and converting into the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Rajinikanth's Robot movie, if you have not seen, then please watch it. Everything A to Z theory of robot machine is given there. How the robot is working? Nowadays, robot is supporting to the corona patient also. If a human don't want to touch a affected person, then robot is supplying food, tea, medicine, everything. Threshing machine is separating grains for farmers. It is making the low work of a farmer. Then crane, you know very well, it is available in everywhere, day-to-day work. Vending machine is giving tea and everything. Lever is associated everywhere in our main doors, brake, accelerator, pedal, heavy machinery, bike, truck, car. ATM machines, you know that it is supplying rupees to us by using the card. Pulley is used into the wells to draw out the water from it. Nowadays, in latest gadget, it is available in submersible pumps and everywhere. So apart from this whole work is very important. We shall continue furthermore in our next session for the next lesson. Till then, I remain. Thank you.